Hello, sir. Good morning. I'm Mahalakshmi. Under the guidance of Professor Bharat Nayak, I'm here to present internship seminar, which I have carried out in AC Motors under the work manager, Mr. Praveen Kumar CS. So here are the contents about the company, objectives, mission and vision of the company, features of the workshop, departments in AC Motors, air filter, wheel alignment and wheel balancing, engine assemble and disassemble, fuel injection, servicing procedures. So first let's see about the company. The company name or the organization name is Yesi Motors. Industry type sales and services. Year of establishment is 1985. It is located in New Gandhinagar Airport Road, Belgavi. And the work manager is Mr. Praveen Kumar CS. There are 70 plus number of employees, including guards, and SC Motor has been ranked A grade and second in South section. So next is objectives of the company to provide quality service and reasonable charges, to maintain healthy environment in the organization, to give full support to employees and customers also, to provide training and development to the employees, to give quality service to the customer, to know the expectations of the customer and also to fulfill those expectations, to maintain good relation with customers, to provide job satisfaction for employees. Mission and vision of the company or the organization was ultimately to satisfy the customer and have potential customer bases. This is what they have learned in these years. A potential and prospective customer based that are satisfied with kind of products they are dealing with, the kind of service they are giving to the customer. So next is features of the workshop, which they have very large floor area of the working, and it is maintained very clean as sweepers will come and clean it time to time. So the environment is kept clean, and all the major and minor faults would be found by manually or through some softwares. Final inspection can be done by experts team equipped with high-tech machines. All the technicians have their own equipments and the machineries. So next is departments in the SC Motors. There are three departments in the SC Motors. Engine department where the engine assemble and disassemble takes place. Transmission department, that is gear transmission system. Accident department where the accident cases are sent to this department. So next is about air filter. So it is a device which removes all the solid particulates or the dust or bacteria from the air. Um, and it consists of absorbent or catalyst for the removal of airborne molecular contaminants such as volatile organic compounds or ozone. It is used in the application where air quality is very important, notably like in building ventilation system and in engines. And air filter is situated at the front portion of the truck. Air is filtered so that the engine is kept clean as much as possible. The clean or purified air ignites quicker and better inside of engine cylinder. That increases combustion efficiency and which ultimately increases fuel economy. So next is wheel alignment and wheel balancing. Wheel alignment and wheel balancing are totally two different things. The first image is of wheel alignment, and the second one is it is a device used for wheel balancing. The wheel alignment consists of the adjusting the angles of the wheels so that wheels are perpendicular to the ground and wheels should be parallel to each other. And the purpose of this adjustment is to maximize the tire life and vehicle that tracks straight and true when driving along a straight and level road. Wheel balancing, on the other hand, allows the tires and wheels to spin without causing any vibration. Wheel alignment is checked every 6 months or 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. And depending on the driver, it is also recommended to have an alignment carried out if he hit a curb or pothole, as that can cause suspension and steering damage. So next is engine assemble and disassemble, that which takes in the engine department. Here is the image of the engine. So as we all know that engine is known as the heart of the vehicle. In Whenever there is a major problem in the engine, they take off the engine from the vehicle and start disassembling it in the engine department, and this is how the disassembly is carried out. First they drain all the fluids from the engine, that is coolant and motor oil, and then they remove intake and exhaust manifolds from the cylinder heads, and then they remove drive belts, water pump, vibration damper, and then they remove the ignition distributor if it is installed, and they remove rocker valve covers, and remove the rocker arms, ball pivots, push rods and lifters. Then they remove all the cylinder head bolts and put them in a safe place, and after that they remove cylinder heads. The cylinder head is heavy, so they take a help of a co-worker, and then they put the cylinder head on a shelf for more work later, and then they chuck cylinder walls and chuck for the ridge at the top of the cylinder, rim the ridge of the cylinder with the rimmer, and then they remove the camshaft front support bearing and the camshaft, and then they turn the motor upside down if it is possible. Then they remove the engine oil pan. After that they remove the oil pump and sump assembly, and they also check to see if all the connecting rod caps and main bearings caps have been numbered from the factory. If not, they number them, and they study how the connecting rod caps align with the connecting rods, and after that they remove one connecting rod and piston at a time and then store it in a safe place. After that immediately they reinstall the connecting rod cap on the connecting rod and torque. This process prevents the damage. And then they continue all this piston and connecting rods have been removed. They remove the main bearing caps one at a time, starting from the ends and working towards the center. If they are doing an engine that has a transmission attached to it, leave the center main bearing cap installed. Then they clean and inspect all the engine parts for wear and damage, and the assembly is done accordingly. So next is fuel injection pump. Fuel injection pump is a device that pumps the diesel into the cylinder of a diesel engine. It works as the heart of the engine and maintains its rhythm to keep it running smooth for years. It is also responsible for controlling the fuel flow to gain the desired power. So next is servicing procedure of the SE motors. So first, the service registration is through either call or by SMS, and they take all the information of the vehicle to be arrived to service center, and then they take RC, service manual of the vehicle, running kilometers. These all should be provided by the driver so that they create job card, and after the job card is created, the request number will be created for the vehicle. Service history will be checked of the vehicle, and free service warranty of the vehicle is checked if the vehicle is new. Once all the office work is done, vehicle is sent to the service bay for inspection. Tata diagnosis system is used to detect the problems by connecting ECU. Further problems are listed in the job card, and that is tagged into the vehicle, and after that technicians are allowed to clear the problems. If any parts are damaged or to be replaced, permission will be taken by the customer. Once all the problems are solved, a vehicle is sent for trials for testing with customer and supervisor. Once all the vehicle is tested successfully, vehicle is sent for washing with no problem. After all the procedures are done, billing of the vehicle service done, customer feedback is taken, and finally the gate pass of the vehicle is given for checkout. Thank you.